Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys,
My name is Zana Farika Azara and
my name is Zara Fajriani.
we are from 10 Accounting 1 SMK Keuangan Pekanbaru. On this video, we will share a narrative text. The title is Reading a Book.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading. How about you?
I like it, but I don't have much time as I like to read. What kind of books do you like?
I'm really into science fiction and fantasy.
I just finished an adventure novel that I really enjoyed. Do you have any recommendation?
Yeah, there's this new series that just came out that's getting a lot of buzz. I can lend you the first book if you want.
Wah, really? Thank you, Zena.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Okay guys, that's all my performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.